All right, guys, let's get into this. I'm going to show you a killer strategy on buyer lead generation. I'm going to show you how to automate the process. I want you to imagine if you had the ability for free to find every potential buyer in your area that's renting and they're coming to the end of their lease and even to the point where you know what they're paying per month and being able to grab that data and then start marketing to them on demand with your offers, maybe new construction, whatever. If your lender has a killer program, right? Being able to reach out to these people because there are those coming to the end of the lease that are right now in your area contemplating buying, and you're missing out on them simply because no other agent is marketing to them and they're going online. Why not go out there and get your market share? And guys, if you are a real estate agent, guys and gals, if you're an agent and you have access to the MLS, you're going to love this strategy. Now, stay tuned because at the end, I'm going to show you how to automate this thing and do it for an unbelievable price. And I'm going to give you a access pass to my system, and it's going to be an offer, guys, that you just simply can't refuse. I've never done this before. So stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to automate this for pennies. All right, let's jump into this, guys. Again, if you are an active real estate agent and you have the MLS, you simply go into your MLS. And I have Stellar. Yours is going to look different than mine, but they all operate about the same. Just simply search for rental properties. When you get that, then go ahead and hit leased and then do 200 to 365 days. Do about 6 months out to a year out. Then I put $2,500 or more per month in rent. That's what these guys are paying. And then you're going to go ahead, once you see the results, you're going to go ahead and click them all. And then down here, export these leads. When you export these leads, it's going to be on a spreadsheet. That spreadsheet and again, guys, let's go back to results. And I'm going to go back to criteria. We have 123 renters just in Claremont. That has nothing to do with Groveland, Mascot, Mineola, Leesburg, Florida, the Villages, Orlando, Winter Garden, Ocoee, Davenport, Lakeland, Polk County. All of these areas are near me. I just pulled 123 that pay $2,500 or more per month in rent just in my city. There's probably 1,000 to 2,000 I could pull if I really wanted to get aggressive. I don't. I just want to see what's in my city, and then I want to let them know about some amazing specials. So once you have this data, guys, here's where it gets interesting. Now, my direct mail platform is called the Card Genie, right? And it allows you to create some amazing postcards. And by the way, I've already got over 100 cards that I've created. If you get this system and you want to use it, guys, these cards are in 9 different niches, and they are so unique and different that you're going to flat out love them. But let's deal with this. I created this card in about 10 minutes. Now, don't shout me down and put in the comments, that looks hideous. I mean, that's you do you, right? I try to create cards that are very flamboyant, and I want the user to grab the card and not think of it as a real estate agent card. So here's a card that I created, and it says, ready to become a homeowner? Builders in, and I merge filled the city. It's going to say Claremont because that's where the addresses are in, but it could say Orlando, Groveland, wherever the address is that I imported the lead, it's going to put their city in, are offering closing cost assistance and low interest rate options. Scan the code for info. Now, that code is going to be one of several things. More than likely, I'm going to go ahead and create a video, a 3-minute video, where at the end of the video, I'm going to say, if you want access to these specials, go ahead and get on my calendar below and allow me the opportunity to find out what you and your family are looking for, and then I can point you in the right direction and show you all of the amazing specials and the builder specials where you can literally walk in with little to no money out of pocket. Get on my calendar and let's talk. That's going to be the video. And then it's going to drive them to a video with a link below to get on my calendar. It'll also say something like, I also have my phone number on the back of this card. Go ahead and give me a call or text at your convenience, and let's get together and see what your options are. And I'll probably throw something like this. And guys, you really want to make sure you get on my calendar because I am one of the only agents in the area. When you work with me, I give you 25% of my buyer's agent commission at closing. You can use it to buy down your interest rate or to pay towards your closing costs. If you want more information on that and to find out how to go from renting to being a homeowner with very little money out of pocket, let's talk. Guys, that's the video. Isn't that much better than sending them to a static MLS page or a builder page? Oh, so much better. And then the back of the card looks like this. Are you ready to see how you can become a homeowner? Scan the QR code on the front to check out some amazing opportunities for your family. There's my number. There's who I am, blah, blah, blah. Now, what's really cool about this, guys, is and let me quit sharing, when I grab that list from the MLS of these renters, I can literally import that list into Car Genie. It takes about a minute. Once it's there, I'm going to call that list Claremont Renters and then today's date. So Claremont Renters 8/26/24. That way, if in the future I can go back and look at that list, I'll know exactly when I pulled it, so I can see if those homes are still rented. I can use that for my marketing. But I'm going to at least give myself the opportunity when I bring that list over to know when I brought that list over. Once that list there, guys, I can send this card off with the push of a button to all 123 people. It's going to run me about $58, maybe $50 for that one time. And if I want, I can send that card to that list once a month for the next couple months. Guys, all I need is one to hit, and I've 10x'd or more my money. So if you like that strategy, and guys, don't forget, hit subscribe, hit the bell. I've got strategies like this all over this channel, and I did this for you. But if you want access to my Car Genie for as little as $49 a month, including weekly training where I go live with my specific group, it's private, you'll gain access to it. Also, gain access to all of my done-for-you postcards. These cost me over $10,000. You gain access to all of them, almost 100 of these things. Also, gain access to my massive Canva letter library. You get it all. It's $49 a month. And guys, the postcards are absolutely free. You just pay postage. There's nothing like this. The QR codes, guys, on that card, that QR code that you saw, if somebody on that list scanned it, I would know immediately who scanned it and what address they're from. It doesn't get any better than that. And that's just buyers. I can do the same thing with any other niche. I can track who is scanning our codes to know who's serious. I can automate the whole process. So there you go, guys. How about that for going after buyers, getting free buyer leads, and then literally within minutes, uploading those to if you decide to go with the offer, your own direct mail platform, and then communicating with them via direct mail. If you're really aggressive, go door knock, right? And we also have other systems, and this is all part of that weekly training. I can show you how to take that list that you got from the MLS and augment the data for emails and names. The sky's the limit. All right, guys, tell me what you thought about that strategy. Drop me some comments below. Did you like that one? Did you see yourself being able now to go grab these leads and start communicating with them? And again, if you want access to my direct mail platform for as little as $49 a month, including free postcards for life and free trackable QR code and my complete card and letter library, look below. I'm going to drop a link for my calendar. I'm not going to send you to a page to sign up. I want you to get on my calendar and let me show this to you before you decide to go. Even though it's month to month, I don't want you to spend $1 on it. Let me show you this amazing system. And if you want it, I'll give you the link and you can sign up and you are good to go. All right, guys, that's it. Until I see you on the next video, go get you some closings.